Hey guys, how you doing? I told you I was going to let you see what happened to this monster print once Cindy was done with it. And here you can see her in action. Cindy is not only very good at doing this, but she loves doing this kind of stuff. It's a little tedious to me, but yeah, she likes it. She actually took a tip that I saw I saw RC Life on do, where he actually mixed dirt, a dirt mixture to make the skulls look weathered, and that was part of what she was doing as well. And as you can see, she is painting along, doing a great job. I don't know if you can see there briefly, she put little eyes in them as well on the two top skulls. Put in a lot of detail to accentuate the little cracks and crevices that are in the skull. You can see the two smaller versions of the same model down below. As you can tell, it's a very time-consuming process. It requires more patience than I would have, for sure. Cool right there. It's coming together, but she has a lot more detail to do. Okay, she's applied some stickers as well, as you can tell. And just for reference sake, this video is set to capture one frame every 60 seconds. So 1 minute of video equals 60 minutes of recording. And it looks like this video is almost 5 minutes, so you can do the math. Looks like right there she might be talking, but in time-lapse it does not record your voice. Okay, at this point we're getting pretty close. This is mostly just touch-up. Crazy, huh? Alright, so hopefully you found this interesting, seeing how the print turned out. As you can tell, with a little patience and some artistic skill, you can make 3D prints look like they are not 3D printed at all. You know, if someone just walked up, they would think that this was possibly ceramic or stone, but it's not. Alright, so if you found this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing. And that's all I have for you for now. Look for more interesting and large 3D print projects coming out of the channel in the future. And until next time, Duffman out.